Hi, I'm Professor Liz Bentley, Chief Executive at the Royal Meteorological Society, and I'm giving a short presentation on the State of the UK Climate 2021. This report is an annual publication which provides an update assessment of the weather and climate in the UK. The State of the UK Climate 2021 is published in a special issue of the International Journal of Climatology, which is the Royal Meteorological Society's journal of climate science. The State of the UK Climate 2021 launched on the 28th of July 2022 and reviews the significant meteorological events of last year, as well as how 2021 compares to the UK climate of the past. This year's paper continues to show that the impact of global temperature rises on the climate in the UK, reaffirming that our climate is already changing and is not just a problem for the future. Let's take a look at what happened during 2021. The UK's weather overall during that year was relatively unexceptional, especially when compared to recent decades. The UK temperature and sunshine for 2021 were near average and rainfall was slightly below average. It was the 18th warmest year in the UK series since 1884. The winter and spring were a little colder than the 1991 to 2020 averages, and the summer was the UK's 9th warmest summer. So not particularly a noteworthy year overall. Although we did experience our equal third warmest autumn on record in the series dating back to 1884. However, if you compare 2021 to the UK's climate prior to 1990, there's clear evidence that our climate is now changing. It's warmer, it's wetter, and it's sunnier. If you take a look at this graph, this shows the mean temperature in the UK from the 1800s through to 2021. And as I say, the year 2021 doesn't look remarkable if you compare it to the recent past, the last few decades. But if you go back right through that time period, you can clearly see there is a warming trend, particularly in the last few decades. All of the top 10 warmest years in the UK are from the series in 1884 have occurred in this century, since 2000. The most recent decade, 2012 to 2021, was on average 1 degree warmer than the 1961 to 1990 benchmark. Let's take a look at precipitation. So this shows the rainfall amounts each year, again from the mid-1800s through to 2021. And we can see that the precipitation rates, again, don't look significantly different from recent years. However, 5 of the 10 wettest years in the UK in the series dating back to 1836 have occurred in this century, since the turn of the century 2000. And since 2009, the UK has had its wettest February, April, June, November and December on record in the monthly series dating back to 1836. So 5 of our 12 months have seen their wettest months recorded. And we've also seen our wettest winter recorded in that time period as well. The most recent decade, 2012 to 21, has been on average 10% wetter than 1961 to 1990. And again, you can see that here, the middle of the century, we've increased by about 10% over that time. Our UK summers have increased on average by 15% during that mid-century period, and our winters have increased by 26%. If we look at some of the notable weather events in 2021, these include an all-time temperature record for Northern Ireland, recorded on the 21st of July 2021, when 31.3 degrees Celsius was recorded in County Tyrone. There was also some exceptionally wet weather across northern England and southern Scotland in late October. In fact, 2 rain gauges in Cumbria recorded a total exceeding 200 millimetres in just one day. A marked increase in these heavy rainfall events has been observed in recent years. And there was a rare red weather warning issued for Storm Irwin on the 26th to the 27th of November 2021. This was one of the most damaging winter storms in the latest decade.